Welcome to Unit 8, Career Investigation. This unit guides you through systematically exploring career paths and managing your career research project. It's about applying critical thinking to research and evaluate information from various sources to inform your career choice. Why pay attention? You'll learn to conduct a thorough investigation of a chosen career and develop an action plan for your research. You'd utilize online resources, conduct interviews with professionals, and evaluate a career suitability based on your interests, skills, and values. The unit also emphasizes developing report writing and professional networking skills. How will it be taught? We'll start with presentations and discussions on career investigation steps, followed by an activity where you choose a career to investigate. You'll use online interest assessments on MyGuidance.ie or careersportal.ie to identify suitable careers and create an action plan. Sessions will cover online research using Qualifax.ie, networking with professionals for interviews or work shadowing, and investigating relevant CAO and PLC courses. You'll also interview your guidance counsellor to discuss your suitability and future prospects. So get ready to gain the essential skills to thoroughly research and choose your ideal career path.